Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the coolest tech and mind-blowing innovations. Today, we're counting down 10 amazing inventions that will change your life. These futuristic gadgets and ideas aren't just science fiction anymore. They're here, and they're revolutionizing the way we live. Let's get started. At number 10, we have a smart mirror. It's not just for checking your reflection. This mirror can display weather updates, track your health stats, and even give you a virtual makeover. You can stay connected while getting ready, making it the perfect blend of convenience and tech. Imagine having your schedule or workout tips right in front of you while you brush your teeth or style your hair. Next up, the solar-powered backpack. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just commuting, this backpack harnesses solar energy to charge your devices on the go. It's the perfect eco-friendly solution for staying powered up. Coming in at number 8, we have AI personal assistants. These smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are now more advanced than ever. They can control your home, manage tasks, even help you plan your day. The future of convenience is already here. Say goodbye to scrubbing your water bottle. At number 7, we have the self-cleaning water bottle. Using UVC technology, this bottle sterilizes itself, keeping bacteria and mold away, ensuring you always have clean water wherever you go. At number 6, we have foldable smartphones. These compact devices unfold to reveal large, tablet-sized screens, making multitasking and media consumption easier than ever. It's the perfect fusion of portability and productivity. Number 5 takes us into the realm of the incredible brain-computer interfaces. With this technology, you can control devices just by thinking. It's a breakthrough for people with disabilities, and in the future, it might just be the way we interact with the digital world. Coming in at number 4, virtual reality glasses. These devices let you step into entirely new worlds, from virtual tourism to immersive gaming. Soon, VR could be the way we socialize, work, and learn, completely transforming how we experience reality. Number 3 is the smart fridge. This high-tech fridge helps you keep track of your groceries, suggests recipes based on what you have, and even orders food for you when you're running low. It's a major leap forward for home convenience. Taking the second spot is electric cars with autonomous driving. These cars are not just eco-friendly, but also self-driving, letting you relax while your car takes you to your destination. In the near future, you might never need to drive again. And finally, at number 1, we have 3D printers. These machines can print anything from toys to food to entire houses. The possibilities are endless, and they're already changing industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and construction. With 3D printing, you can create almost anything you need right from the comfort of your home. There you have it, 10 amazing inventions that will change your life. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos like this.